Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley. I'm super duper excited that you decided to click on this video and check out my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe down below and hit the bell. Also check me out on my social medias shown right here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and supporting me once again. Like I told the juniors, you're officially a senior. You can take that breath. Now some people, they take senior year as like, oh, like I can be a bird, I can just glide throughout the year. I'm here to tell you, you can have a balance of that versus being like super grind all the time like you were accustomed to seniors. First thing I say is definitely complete. If you are deciding to go to college or university or any higher education in the fall, go ahead and complete those college apps in the fall. Try to complete the early decision, or no, it's early action, sorry, I still even get those mixed up, and I know what they mean. Just because some people are like, oh, I'll just wait for regular decision because I feel like I'm definitely gonna get in. But like, why not go ahead and just apply all of them? You can hear back soon and you can just make plans for it. Like, it's just like, why wait? Like, no. So go ahead and do it soon as those applications come rolling, which a lot of them, like a Common App, I think opens up August 1st. So this summer, go ahead and start like getting your activities resume updated and kind of getting everything pulled out. Also start applying for scholarships and financial aid in the fall. I highly suggest you just kind of get on that whole train, which I will explain even further in that video later on this summer. But definitely I suggest applying as soon as possible. Make sure that you are on that train, you are on the application train, because why not? It just puts you in a better opportunity and better chance of possibly getting in. So why not? I would definitely make sure that you enjoy the school and social events that your school or maybe your like class, your senior class is offering. I know for some people they're not the most social or like outgoing kind of people, so they aren't like for like going to school dances. But I would highly suggest that you, if you can and you have the opportunity to take advantage of that. You might not think about it, like you might think, oh yeah, this is gonna be the last time we're gonna be together, but after you really like it gets closer to that date, like graduation day, G-Day, you realize how important and how impactful and how precious those moments, those times to like laugh and reminisce with even your friends just like about high school is. So I would highly suggest that you take advantage and go to those different like social events, school events, to really just be together once again as like a class or as a friend group, or even you and your friends. You need to like make events and things that y'all can do together, because it will be your last year. Like, being the way that you are right now, you're all going to go different ways. You're still all going to kind of change or whatever, and it's not going to be quite the same. So make sure that you definitely take advantage of those opportunities as well. And lastly, use the milestones to motivate you. Literally, is all I can say. People who get like senioritis and stuff, it is real. I can definitely say it is definitely real. I don't want to like come on here and say, oh no, senioritis is fake, like people are just lazy or what. Like, no, it is real. Same like motivation that I had before. And so yeah, I feel like it's real. That's all I can say. Definitely use like, you know, oh, we're only 3 more weeks till Thanksgiving, or like 2 more weeks till Christmas, or 2 more weeks till we have this major stand. Like, use little things that are milestones to kind of motivate you to keep like doing well. Like, oh, we only got 2 more weeks till Thanksgiving. I'm gonna knock out all these tests that I'm gonna have right before Thanksgiving. Like, I'm gonna study, I'm gonna do well, because I have to keep my grades up, I have to keep my GPA high. So like, use those little things to help you motivate you, rather than thinking like, oh, graduation's only 90 days away. Like, that seems so far away. But once like spring break and everything hits, it like speeds up. So really use those like little milestones to help you stay motivated throughout the whole year. If you enjoyed that video, I hope it was very beneficial and helpful and motivated you, and I will catch you guys on the flip side.